Hi. Today we will learn how to pin a comment on your YouTube video easily. If you want a way to make a comment pinned, this video is for you. Simply go to YouTube and log in. Come to YouTube Studio. Now simply click on the video you want to pin a comment. On the right side, click on the video link to play the video. When it's played, scroll down. Come to Comments. Now write the text you want to pin as. I already have written this and now copy pasting. Click on Comment. When it's a comment, come to the three dots. And finally pin. It's pinned now. You can also see that it's showing pinned by Joseph IT. So, this is the way you can simply pin your comment on any of your videos in YouTube. Hope you liked our video. Please be with us and inspire. Goodbye.